Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to create a Tinder account without using your phone number, we've got you covered. Here's how you can set up your Tinder profile with an alternative method. 1. Sign up with Facebook. One of the easiest ways to create a Tinder account without using a phone number is by linking it to your Facebook account. Step 1. Download and open the Tinder app. Step 2. On the welcome screen, tap on Login with Facebook. Step 3. Enter your Facebook login details if you haven't already signed in. Step 4. Allow Tinder permission to access your Facebook profile, and it will automatically create your Tinder account using your Facebook credentials. 2. Sign up with Google account. You can also link your Google account to sign up for Tinder without needing a phone number. Step 1. Open the Tinder app and tap Login with Google. Step 2. Select your Google account or enter your Google login credentials. Step 3. Tinder will use your Google account to create your profile without asking for a phone number. 3. Use a temporary phone number for verification. If Tinder insists on verifying with a phone number, you can use a temporary phone number service for the verification step. Step 1. Go to a temporary number provider like Google Voice, TextNow, or Burner. Step 2. Sign up for a temporary phone number. Step 3. Use this number to verify your Tinder account. After verification, you won't need to use the temporary number again. 4. Skip phone number verification if possible. Sometimes, Tinder may allow you to skip the phone number verification, depending on the region or app version. If that's the case, simply proceed with your email or social media account sign-in method and complete the profile setup. 5. Use email sign-up, alternative method. Although Tinder doesn't typically allow email-only sign-up, in some cases, you may be able to connect through your email account if your social media profiles are linked. Step 1. Try logging in with Facebook or Google, which may use your email as part of the sign-up process. Step 2. Add your email to the Tinder profile afterward to receive notifications and updates. By using these methods, you can set up Tinder without using your personal phone number. However, remember that some features might still require phone number verification for added security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.